Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss 3 important crops for the UPSC Prelims Examination 2025. Guys, this is part 2 of the most important crop series. I have already made part 1 where I have discussed 5 crops. This is there on my YouTube channel. Please do watch this video if you have not watched. So guys, out of the 3 crops which I am going to share today in this video, I can tell you at least one question will definitely come. So please do watch till the end, and I am going to make this prediction using PYQ analysis and linking with current affairs. So let me start. Before I start guys, let me show you why crops is very important. You can see recently UPSC PYQ, UPSC has asked question on tea. So guys, cash crops are very important. Every year UPSC is asking a commercial crop. So this year there is one commercial crop which is in controversy, which is Arecanut. Guys, recently WHO has come out with a report saying that consumption of Arecanut can be cancer causing. This has created lot of controversy and farmers are protesting against this WHO report. You can see here the union minister has said that they will basically look into the report and the health hazard of the areca nut. So the research is still going on. So in this context, areca nut cultivation and areca nut crop is very important for the UPSC prelims examination. So guys, areca nut is one of the most important commercial crops to be grown in India. India is the largest producer of areca nut and also the largest consumer of areca nut. In India, areca nut is grown in Karnataka, Kerala, Assam, Meghalaya, West Bengal and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. You can see UPSC focuses on the states. So first thing what we need to prepare is the state. Guys, now areca nut is a basically tropical crop. So it is grown in tropical and humid climate and the temperature is around 14 to 30 degrees Celsius and rainfall is around 750 centimeter to 450 centimeter. Generally the soil is the laterite soil. It is grown in laterite soil. Okay guys, India is the largest producer and consumer and the largest producer state is Karnataka. But it is also grown in the northeast in the state of Assam and Meghalaya. Okay, the second largest state is Kerala. Okay, so this is a very important crop. One thing you should know that India produces 60% of total areca nut in the world. Some other producing countries are Bangladesh, Indonesia, Myanmar and China. Also guys, you need to know that areca nut is propagated using seeds. This is very important. Sometimes UPSC frames such kind of questions also. Okay, so region is Western Ghats and the Northeastern Hills. Okay, this is very important. Now guys, okay, another 2 important crops which I am going to give you. Again, I am going to give you the reason also. Guys, before that, let me tell you guys, like this, I am predicting important questions in my test series. If you are not part of my Lakshya or Optima test series, do join as early as possible. Every day I am giving you important topics. Just prepare those important topics. That is more than enough to crack the prelims examination. Guys, I have cracked the prelims examination 6 out of 6 times and I can help you to crack the prelims examination. Focus on the important topics which I am giving in my private channel. Guys, if you join my prelims mentorship, you are added to my private channel. Okay, so let us see another 2 important crops. So 2 important crops guys. Recently in the budget 2025, government has launched a mission to become Atmanirbhar in edible oil and pulses. And guys, edible oil and pulses are a very important PYQ theme. Lot of times UPSC has asked question on pulses and edible oil. This year I am predicting definitely there will be a question on edible oil and pulses. So what we have to do, we have to analyze the PYQs and as per the PYQ again we can make a prediction. So guys, let us first read what has been in the budget. So in the budget, government has said that we will try to become Atmanirbhar in pulses basically by agriculture diversification. So what we are going to do, we are going to become self-sufficient in pulses by focusing on tur, which is arhar, urad and masoor. These are the 3 dals or pulses where we are going to focus: tur, urad and masoor. And we are basically going to use NAFED and NCCF, which is National Cooperative Consumer Federation, for procuring pulses in the next 4 to 5 years. Okay guys, so India is the largest producer, consumer and importer of pulses. Okay, this is very very important. India is the largest producer, consumer and importer of pulses. Pulses are generally grown in state of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka, which are the top 5 producing states of pulses. Very very important. Pulses are also very important for sustainable agriculture because pulses basically help in reducing greenhouse gas emission, and it also helps in improving the soil quality. Okay, this is very very important. Common pulses which are grown in India is basically chicken pea, which is gram. Then guys, we have arhar, lentil, peas, moong, urad. Okay, so what I am going to do is that I am going to show you the question which has already come in the UPSC PYQ, black gram. Okay, question on black gram and green gram has already come, and the question is basically on kharif pulses and rabi pulses. So let me just show you guys. Okay, you can see here India is the largest producer of pulses in the world, and it is also the largest consumer and importer of pulses. Guys, you can see 23% of the area in India is under pulse cultivation. You can see kharif pulses are arhad, urd, moong, lobia, kulthi and moth, and rabi pulses are gram, lentil, pea and rajma. Okay, this is very important. When spring pulses are there, you can see here guys that area and production, Madhya Pradesh is the state which is leading. Then we have Maharashtra, then we have Rajasthan, then we have Uttar Pradesh, then we have Karnataka, then we have Gujarat. So you can see these are the states guys. So what we have to do is that we can refer the NCERT, class 12th NCERT. In that we have to read the pulses. Okay, the agriculture chapter, read the pulses section. Very very important. Definitely there is going to be a question on this. So guys, pulses are very rich in protein, so they are source of protein also. They are legume crops which increase the natural fertility of soil through nitrogen fixation. This is a very important fact about the pulses. India is the leading producer of pulses in the world. The cultivation of pulses in the country is largely concentrated in the dry lands in Deccan and Central Plateau and northwestern part of India. This is very important. Where is pulses concentrated? Deccan Plateau, dry lands, Central Plateau and northwestern part of India. Basically dry lands. This is very important. Pulses occupy 11% of the total cropped area in India. 11% of the total cropped area. Being a rain-fed crop, the yield is less. Okay, so the two main important pulses in India is gram and tur. This is very important. So what are the two main pulses grown in India? Gram and tur. So gram is a subtropical crop. It is mostly grown in rain-fed areas in central, western and northwestern part of India. Just 1 or 2 light showers is more than sufficient. It has been displaced from the cropping pattern by wheat in Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. So during the green revolution, what happened? Wheat crop has displaced pulses which was grown gram pulse which was grown in Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. At present, gram covers only about 2% of the total cropped area in the country. Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan are the main producers of this crop. The yield continues to be low. Why? Because it is grown in rain-fed area. Why? Because there is no assured irrigation, so yield is low. Okay, so before green revolution, where was the gram grown majorly? It was grown in Punjab, Haryana and northern Rajasthan, but now it is not grown because it has been displaced by wheat. Next is the tur. Tur is the second important pulse crop in India. It is also called red gram or pigeon pea. This is very important, red gram or pigeon pea. It is cultivated over marginal lands and rain-fed areas. Again, 2% of the area is under the tur cultivation. Maharashtra is the largest producer of tur. Maharashtra is the largest producer of tur, and gram, the largest producer is Madhya Pradesh. Okay, this is very important. Largest producers are very very important. You can get question on this. You can see guys, please do prepare this. Please do prepare this. Very very important. Very very important. Very very important. You may definitely get a question on this. Very high chances that you will get question on this. So guys, you remember that the among the pulses, okay, chicken pea dominates. which is 40%. Next is the pigeon pea. Next is the pigeon pea, 20% is pigeon pea. Then we have the moong, which is 11%. Then we have the urad, which is 10%. Then we have the lentils, which is 9%. And then we have the legumes, 20%. So this is the production pattern of pulses in India. You may definitely get a question on this, guys. You can see how PYQ analysis will help us. Guys, you can join my PYQ mastery classes where I have discussed last 25 years PYQs. This will help you to identify important themes which you need to focus and what to read. Suppose you are reading pulses, what to focus upon pulses. The types of pulses are very, very important. You can see black gram, green gram, these kind of questions are coming. So types of pulses you need to prepare. That is one thing we get. And from where we have to prepare? We can prepare directly from the NCERT. Okay. Next crop is the, see this already we have discussed. Okay, what is the nutritional benefit, soil benefit, this we have already discussed. Next is the topic of oil seeds. So guys, oil seeds also is very important because India imports 60% of edible oil, which is obviously not good. So guys, India has started a mission to become Atmanirbhar in edible oil. So edible oil also, you can see government has launched national mission on edible oil, oil seeds. This is very important mission, guys. You can see the focus of this mission is on the mustard, groundnut, soybean, sunflower and sesame. Okay, these are the oil seeds which are focus of this mission, guys. National mission on oil seeds. This is very, very important, guys. I'm telling you, whenever a national mission is launched, generally a question will come on that topic. So under this national mission on oil seeds this year, which are the primary oil seeds covered? Mustard, groundnut, soybean, sunflower and sesame. Okay, very, very important. Okay, so guys, you can see this also you have to prepare from the NCERT. You can see here in NCERT they have covered all the oil seeds. You can see class 12th NCERT. The oil seeds are produced by extracting edible oils. Dry lands of Malwa Plateau, Marathwada, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Telangana, Rayalaseema, region of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka Plateau are oil seeds growing region of India. This is very, very important. Okay, what are the oil seeds growing region in India? We have Malwa Plateau, we have Marathwada, we have Gujarat, Rajasthan, Telangana, Rayalaseema, region of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka Plateau. So Malwa Plateau, Marathwada and Karnataka Plateau. These are the regions, guys. Again, you can see dry land. Okay, generally dry land are used for oil seeds production also. These crop occupy 14% of the total cropped area in the country. Groundnut, rapeseed, mustard, soybean, sunflower are the major oil seeds grown in India. What are the major oil seeds? We have groundnut, we have mustard, we have soybean, we have sunflower, which are the major oil seeds produced. Let us start with the groundnut. You can see groundnut, India produces 18% of the total groundnut production in the world. 18% of the total groundnut production in the world is grown in India. This is very important. It is a kharif crop. It is a kharif crop. So groundnut is what? It is a kharif crop, but in southern India it is cultivated during Rabi season as well. It covers 3.6% of the total cropped area in the country. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra are the leading producer of groundnut. Yield of groundnut is comparatively high in Tamil Nadu where it is partially irrigated. Very important. Next is the mustard. Mustard comprises of several oilseeds like rai, sarso, toria and tarmira. These are subtropical crops cultivated during Rabi season in the northwestern and central part of India. These are frost sensitive crop and their yields fluctuate from year to year, but with expansion of irrigation and improvement in seed technology, their yields have improved. This is very important. This is mainly grown in the state of Rajasthan. Okay, so mustard is grown mainly in the state of Rajasthan. This is very important. Groundnut is grown in the major state of Gujarat. Okay, then we have the soybean. Guys, soybean is generally grown in Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, very, very important. Soybean is grown in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. You can see these two states produce 90% of the total soybean in the country. Sunflower is majorly concentrated in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Sunflower is majorly concentrated in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. So they can give you, okay, table format question on oil seeds. They can give you table format question. They can ask you to match with the major producing states. They can ask you like this, or they can ask you what? Okay, arrange from top to bottom, which is the largest producing oilseeds in India, second and third. Okay, so remember guys, India imports 50% of its oilseeds requirement. Okay, this is very very important. You can see guys, okay, mustard, Rajasthan is the top producer, soybean, Madhya Pradesh is the top producer, and groundnut, you can see Gujarat is the top producer. Okay, this is very important guys. You can see here oilseeds pattern guys. You can see here primary sources of oilseeds. You can see guys, out of the total oilseeds produced, soybean is the leader, then we have the groundnut, then we have the mustard. Okay, so this is an important source. You can just refer this, and this is a newspaper source guys. You can see, like, you can just refer these two data sets for answering any question. You can take a screenshot of this. So guys, remember guys, yellow revolution was launched for oilseeds. Yellow revolution in 1990 was launched for oilseeds. Okay, to become self-sufficient in oilseeds, but still India imports majority of its oilseeds from outside. So guys, groundnut, I have already told you, Gujarat is the largest producer. Then guys, for mustard we have Rajasthan. Then guys, for soybean we have Madhya Pradesh. This is a very important topic, can definitely come. Okay, can definitely come. India is the fourth or fifth largest oilseeds producer of the world. Okay, this is very important. For pulses, India is the largest producer, but for oilseeds, India is fourth or fifth largest in the world. Okay, so remember this, India is not the largest, India is fourth or fifth largest oilseed producer in the world. Here it is written fifth largest, somewhere it is written fourth largest also, but for pulses, India is the largest producer, consumer, and also importer. Remember this, India is the one of the major producer of oilseeds. India's vegetable oil economy is world's fourth largest after USA, China, and Brazil. Okay, so somewhere it is written fourth, somewhere it is in fifth. Okay, so you can prepare this. This is very very important. Major oilseeds produced in India, I have already told you, groundnut, mustard, soybean. Okay, major states are what? Gujarat for groundnut, Madhya Pradesh for soybean, and Rajasthan for basically mustard. Okay, so like this guys, you have to prepare important topics so that you are ready for the exam, and that is why guys, PYQ analysis is very very important, and also predicted questions guys. Solve the predicted question. I am going to predict at least 20 to 30 questions in the UPSC prelims examination. Consider liking this video and sharing this video with your friends. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.